Hello everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, I am here to present a storytelling of S.N.S. Roadmap. Priya journey from ledger lover to account innovator. Priya spent her childhood poring over her father's old account book, fascinated by numbers and balance sheet. When she enrolled at S.N.S. College, the academic world over her complex accounting theory, no clear career path and that sense of being a dropped. Like many, she relied on routine studying, aiming for solid grades and hoping for a accounting job someday. But her passion for organizing finance kept her motivated. Priya learned about S.N.S. structure roadmap for students. She attended design thinking workshop. To enhance her skill, Priya streamlined her friend's small business account. During a campus career day, she uncovered S.N.S. roadmap, a structured path from uncertainty to excellence. It began with a foundation stage. Priya joined design thinking workshop, learning to address financial inefficiency creatively. She streamlined a friend's small business account and she gratitude she received sparked her drive. Next, she developed into the framework culture peers. She embraced the 3 P's: culture, finding purpose in financial clarity, mastering bookkeeping process and collaborating with deal-oriented peers. Priya enhanced deeply with the 3P culture, finding purpose in financial clarity, mastering bookkeeping and collaborating with like-minded peers to strengthen her skill. The 3C framework boosted her focus, sharpened her analytical skill and introduced her to accounting software. This framework sharpened her analytical skill, helping her to focus on critical accounting practice and introducing her to essential accounting software. Priya negative her study by learning tax law, earning certificate and networking progress, enhancing her professional capability while building a supporting community. She followed the 5 pillars: learning tax law, earning certification, innovating with financial model, networking at accounting meets and building a supportive team. To stay balanced, she joined Spine Club, yoga for health, reading for fun and table tennis stream. S.N.S. became her financial workshop. Feeling confident, Priya entered the growth innovative stage. She explored innovation 7+7, joined 15 club like auditing and financial tech and worked on project and simultaneous. Gen AI enablement opened new avenue. Seminar and hackathon taught her to use AI for expense tracking. She earned certification in accounting, business, law, tech and financial advising, becoming a skilled professional. Priya's journey towards professional excellence began with the 5 pillars of learning and growth. She started by mastering tax law, which built her foundation in financial regulation. Next, she earned valuable certification that strengthened her credibility and technical knowledge. Her creativity shone through as she innovated with financial model, finding smarter way to analyze and present data. She also expanded her professional circle by networking at accounting meets, connecting with experts and peers. Financially, she focused on building a supportive team, understanding that collaborative is the key to success. To maintain her mental and physical balance, Priya actively engaged in spine club, practicing yoga to stay healthy, reading books for relaxation, and joining table tennis for recreation. Her time SNS truly became a financial workshop where academic learning met real world experience. As she entered growth innovation stage, Priya embraced the innovation 7+7 framework, joining 15 active clubs such as auditing, business analysis, and financial technology. She took part project, case study, and simultaneous that helped her apply classroom concept to practical situation through the Gen AI. Innovative Priya attended seminar and hackathon that introduced her to artificial intelligence in finance. She learned to use AI tools for expense tracking, data analysis, and financial forecasting. Here continues learning mindset, earn her certificate in accounting, business law, technology, and financial advising with confidence, creativity, and Priya emerged as a skilled, future-ready financial professional ready to lead with innovation. Finally, in the excellence creation stage, she set smart OKR goals target like reducing audit error tracked with point, and this fueled her ambition with a growth mindset, blending design thinking, practical approach with AI decision. She aimed help inspired by SNS 10 years goal of 1,000 AI startup. She launched her venture and AI tools for automated bookkeeping. Years later, Priya, an accounting pioneer, her tools transformed small business globally, earning her recognition and steady income. As she saw with design thinking and AI, 1,000 startup is not just a dream, it is within reach. Thank you.